Are you also still buzzing from 2018 Noraxon User Group Meeting in Liverpool? Don't you think it's time for next one?
Then be prepared for Ghent 2019. Presented by Velamed and Noraxon and kindly hosted by the Department of Rehabilitation Sciences, Ghent University.
It's a real pleasure to welcome you at the Department of Rehabilitation Sciences, Ghent University. We will host the upcoming Noraxon User Meeting, which is held in October.
No matter if you just started with EMG and kinesiology, or if you're already an expert in the field of research or applied biomechanics, this event is a great opportunity to meet inspiring people and becoming involved in our exciting community.
We have great research keynotes with Jaap van Dien and Paul Hodges.
Learn from experts in the clinical and sports performance field which technology they are using in order to help their patients and assess their players. How they use the parameters to improve the performance of their clients, which applicable relevance they generate out of the data, how they implement the technology into their daily routines, and at the end of the day, how they make business out of it.
Choose from our amazing variety of hands-on workshops.
This is one of our seminar rooms where we will hold some sessions.
In preparation for the calories of the evening, join me for a scenic run through beautiful Ghent.
And here in Old Town Ghent, we will have fresh fries and a lot of cold drinks.
If you want to spend these 2 days in Belgium with great content on EMG and biomechanics, as well as inspiring people, sign up on the link below for the 2019 European Noraxon User Group Meeting.